You can find the training calendar in the platform's Calendar tab. Here you can see all the events that you are participating in and those that are available to you. Enroll in an event by clicking on the event and then clicking on Join Event. You might be requested to fill in some participants' info. Then click Confirm. If you want to add the event to your calendar, open the event and choose Add to External Calendar. Cancel your participation by clicking on the event and then clicking on Cancel Registration. Then click Confirm. Note that cancelling the registration might not be possible in all events.